Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get up to 90% off HubSpot through their official HubSpot for Startups program. If you're an early stage founder, part of a startup, or just looking to scale your business without overspending on marketing tools, this is a huge opportunity. And just a quick reminder, if you want to skip straight to the discount, I've added my affiliate link in the description below. When you use it, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Just click it and apply directly to get access HubSpot for Startups discount. And, of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone or any startup who might benefit from this deal. Here's how it works. HubSpot offers a special startup program that gives eligible companies between 30 and 90% off their professional tier CRM, marketing, and sales tools. To qualify, your company needs to be early stage, typically up to Series A funding, and part of an approved partner organization, like an accelerator, incubator, or VC network. Once you apply and get approved, you'll get access to HubSpot's premium tools at a fraction of the normal cost. And if you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss future startup deals like this one. The HubSpot for Startups program is designed to help early-stage companies grow smarter and faster by giving them access to the entire HubSpot platform at startup-friendly pricing. Instead of juggling multiple tools or messy spreadsheets, you get one powerful platform that covers everything. You'll have Marketing Hub for lead generation and automation, Sales Hub to track deals and manage your pipeline, Service Hub for customer support and ticketing, and CMS Hub to build and manage your website. This is honestly one of the best startup discounts out there. And the best part? It's available globally, whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, India, Australia, Germany, Singapore, or anywhere else. So if this is helpful, make sure to like and share it with other founders. If your startup qualifies, it's a total no-brainer. You can save thousands of dollars while getting enterprise-grade tools that can help you scale way faster. If you have any questions about eligibility or how to apply, just drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you more exclusive startup deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.